Good morning, y'all. Or afternoon. I don't even know what time it is, dude. But, we're cleaning the Z. If you guys know me, I don't even wash my car. I'm gonna be honest. This is my dad's, Bel Air. You know, it's being worked on. Shop he took it to got scammed. I'm probably gonna make a video about it and, like, give you guys the whole story and breakdown and whatnot. But basically, he got scammed, not from the car, from the shop he took it to. They were supposed to fix it. And then, yeah, I'll do like a whole explanation on there. I'll go into more detail in another video. But, yeah, we're gonna clean the Z, pressure wash and everything. I need new tires. If you guys wanna follow my Instagram, it's right there. All right, guys, so today's what? I think it's October 16th? October 17th, and it's actually Alan's birthday. It's Alan's birthday, and we're headed to go meet up with him and some of the boys over in Cupertino. Gonna go eat some sushi. But you know, this is part of the vlog week thing I've been trying to do. I just, Jesus Christ, I can't speak right now. But I was just thinking, I was like, oh hey, let me just record this. This is something interesting. This is something we can do. You know, it's gonna be from basically Monday to Sundays or Sunday to Saturday, whatever week it is. However you guys see the week. But point is, it's Alan's birthday today. We're gonna go see Alan, wish him happy birthday. Might make this its own video. You know, if you guys like the video, like, comment, sub. I don't think I recorded anything else this week. I don't think I recorded my Highway 9 run yesterday. But, you know, if you guys like it, go like it. If you don't dislike it, tell me why, so I can fix some stuff. We got the boy Alan, the birthday boy, and then I'm just gonna I had to. Alright, cool. So now that we're here, we have the man, birthday boy. He's finally all grown up.
Sorry, bro. Thanks for pulling up. I appreciate you.
No problem. We got the Z. The Z's.
First.
Huh?
First one to pull up, right? I think we have at least 7 minutes.
Hopefully.
So,
Highway 9 run after?
I don't know about that. If you beat me in bowling, I have to go.
Okay. Shit, dude, I suck dick at bowl. I never bowled. I bowled one time.
Wait, you said what? You said you sucked at what?
Okay, wait.
Hopefully he didn't pull up in the Tesla, bro. He was pissing me off. Or when he pulled up in the Prius one time?
He pulled up in a Prius? What the fuck?
Or no, the Camry? Oh, shit.
Damn, it's actually really sick. Got 3. Alan's saying 7 to 8 heads, so we shall see.
Fills up all the parking spots. I trust.
Alright, so we're eating.
I face.
Got the boys here. Got everyone. I don't know. This shit pretty fire, not gonna lie. But we got 2 plates. Ooh, that shit look good.
Desserts out there?
Alright guys, we got the Camry. Damn. Arrow crazy on it though. Alright, we just finished eating. That shit was good, not gonna lie. Had to pay for the birthday boy. He pretty, better give me that ass later. But we got 2 370s, 350s everywhere. Happy birthday again, Alan. I'm not sure if this vlog's gonna end, or this part of the day is gonna end right now, but we shall see. We got everyone out here. We're about to go do a photo shoot, so we're heading out there. Damn. Okay. Oh, we chilling. We gotta chill now. Oh, we have to go. That's it, man. I'm complaining on Twitter. They're racist. Not the white man kicking the colored ones out. Oh no. All right, as you guys can see, we're just bowling over here. We got Ivan up next right after Ob. Bro, I don't know if Alan will send it to me, but when I first started, this is my second time bowling ever in my life, but when I threw it, it went into the other lane and it just went in. I fucked up hella bad. Fucking with the Bro, we literally lost by 1 fucking point on the second game. If you guys want to see what we were doing, check out Alan. I'll put his thing in the description. But some light. Fuck, dude, we got smoked. Basically, we all leaving. It's night. Everyone's out. A couple of us already left. Security's watching us again. He gonna kick us out again. But we're not really doing anything but any buffoonery right now. We all literally just chilling. Again, happy birthday to Alan. It is Tuesday. I think it's like, damn. It's October 17th. Happy birthday to Alan. And then hopefully I do something tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, guys. Still same day. Well, not the same day. It's already what? It's already Friday. But Friday morning, you know, we're just out taking pics. I just came from a college. Or like a little college that's nearby. It's a really nice area. Took some pics. Post it on my Instagram when I can and when I get them edited. But right now we're headed to another place where I did take some pictures. I'll throw them up right now. I took those pictures there. And I'm just gonna head over, probably take a reel, maybe a couple, and then post them up. You know, if you guys want, follow me on Instagram, right there. Or in the description. Ah, shit. Alright, so unfortunately, from here I had to cut it a little bit short. Cop pulled up. He was chill. He was like, oh, you can stay for a little bit, but you might need to leave, like, by the time. Or next time someone comes here, because they're probably gonna ask me to leave. It's no biggie. Gonna go check out over there, because there is, like, a parking garage. Might be good lighting. We shall see. I wasn't recording. Huh?
Daniel.
Alright, we got Daniel, we got Ivan. I wasn't recording.
Oh, okay.
But we got Ivan, we got Daniel in the BRZ, we got me. We're hitting 9 tonight. Probably pull dash cam footage. I don't know, we'll see. But, I don't know. Got a Red Bull because I'm gonna die. Damn, that's... Got here in 10 minutes. It's fucking wet up here. It's dark as shit up here. But we made it up. There's some guys over there probably fucking or something. But, you know, we're here. Chilling. You guys will see us at the meet tomorrow. Actually, technically today. But you guys will see us at the meet today. Is he leaking? Yeah. We're going to go to Rogers meet, then we're going to come back up here again. I don't know, I'm just chilling, dude. I always run this. I fucking hate it when it's raining, though, because then I can't push it, bro. We hear you streaming, bro.
You can't even see him.
Where it's like he gets kidnapped by his, like, Slenderman or something, and he's just like, gone.
He gets pulled into the bushes and he's gone.
Help! Help me!
Yeah, I get to keep the BRZ, though. Pay it off.
Hey, we'll come back for it. If it ain't gonna be us, it's gonna be the repo guy.
Just go to my house and get the clothes. Put them on for me.
Oh, yeah, you gotta...
Put them on, man. I'm gonna flip it. Crazy. God damn.
Fucking slapping some Xavier whip too. Mandatory.
That shit.
No, it's a Miata also, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought it was an RX. That funny. Man just fucking stalls it.
Who's going to?
Oh shit, he going again.
Hits the BRZ.
For real. Hey, I hope he got insurance.
For real.
Roll back. Yeah, he's swinging wide. All right, so I smoked a rock. Not that bad. I'll put it in the dashcam footage, whatever, if I remember to pull it. Smoked a rock, got down safe. What'd you think?
It was a pretty fun run, I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty cool.
We got a little show with it too. What do you think?
That shit was cool. Fucking midnight drive, no tow.
There was a car behind Daniel.
Disappeared.
Yeah, it disappeared. Fucking dude fell off the
There 1
cliff.
second, next turn it wasn't.
He fell off the cliff.
Let's hope not.
But no, this is it for tonight. I'll throw the, and then we'll see you guys basically in the morning, further in the morning when I wake up for the car show. All right, guys, it's Sunday, the next day. I'm kind of running late. I set my alarms, but I was like, oh fuck, dude, I actually want to get like this extra hour of sleep, or extra 2 hours. I was supposed to originally wake up at 7. But I didn't even get home until like 5 in the morning. So that would have been like literally 2 hours of sleep. And then I woke up at 7, because I set some alarms, fell back asleep, woke up at 8. I was like, 30 more minutes wouldn't hurt. Showered, got ready, ate some breakfast. Just a little bit. Still kind of hungry, but it's whatever. Now it's 9:06. I mean, we're chilling. Heading over there. I don't know. Yeah. It's starting an hour early because I think last time we were there, we all got kicked out by the owner. Okay, so I'm not gonna record much because I'm tired as shit. But we got some cool cars. Mustang. Can they come with red nose? Really? Oh, it meets more often. This shit's actually really nice. Wow. This shit is so sketchy. Okay, as you can see, end of the video. It's Wednesday, the 25th, and yeah, I mean, did an edit of the vlog and whatnot. 15 minutes long. I just did it from Sunday to Sunday because, you know, this whole week's been kind of weird and I'm still kind of tired. But this day was super sketch. It was hella foggy up at 9, or in Alice's, and I was just super tired and it sucked. But, you know, if you guys like the video, again, go ahead, like, comment, sub. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I'm gonna try to like keep recording everything and then put it up when I can. Maybe no vlog week this week, but honestly, this is pretty fun. I really enjoy everyone who stayed till the end. Really appreciate it. Thank you all.